Hello everyone, this is my salamanders or red belly newt. I feed them Tubifex or what we call red worms. I need a little bit only because there are few. But the problem, if you buy Tubifex, they give you so much. So I would like to share how to prolong the life of your Tubifex. Tubifex need the high level of oxygen in water or some kind of what we call this flowing water. They can live there. So if you have existing aquarium, you can place it there. So I show you how. This is very simple and I know you can do it 10 to 15 minutes. Cut a circular hole in the middle of a cover of a disposable plastic container. And this one is a cylindrical type plastic container. Make a rectangular hole both sides. We need also the aluminum metal. So place the aluminum metal as support holder. And then this one, like that, place it like that, and container, circular container. So dip it, yes, okay. As you can see, the oxygenated water from the air pump or water pump is entered to the hole we made, a rectangular hole we made, and exit again. Okay, so we have a very good condition of flowing water with oxygen. So let's put now the excess Tubifex inside the container. Okay. So that's it. It's done. But you need to observe the water flow. You can adjust the hole or you can adjust the water pump. Now I made the adjustment. Waters enter here and exit there. Let us see again. See the water flow. The waters are flowing correct. Now you can see the water current flow penetrates in the bottom of your Tubifex, and that is very good. Okay, thank you very much. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.